Corning's R-19 EcoTouch Pink Fiberglass insulation comes in 4 different facing options, including craft-faced, FSK and PSK or flame spread 25, foil-faced, and unfaced. The main applications are wood and metal framed exterior walls and floors. R-19 recovers to 6 1/4 inch thickness for unrestrained applications like attics and floors, and can easily be compressed to fit in 2x6 wood and 6-inch metal framing. R-19 bats are available in widths ranging from 15 to 24 inches, with lengths ranging from 48 to 105 inches. The 2018 IECC code requires R-19 for floors in climate zones 3 and 4. While R-19 is not called out specifically in model energy codes, it is still included in some local or jurisdictional areas for walls and floors. It is also used to add or to complete insulation needs, like by adding R-19 to existing R-30 to get an R-49, or using 2 layers of R-19 in a floor to get to R-38. Consult your state and local building codes for your specific needs. Let's take a look at the different R-19 products and their intended applications. Unfaced R-19 bats are a stock product with a 3-day lead time and are available in 15, 16, 19 1/4, 23, and 24-inch widths and lengths of 48, 93, 96, and 105 inches. Typically, wood stud framing products are in 15 and 23-inch widths to account for the thickness of the wood framing, and in lengths of 93 inches for 8-foot ceilings and 105 inches for 9-foot ceilings. Metal framing products come in 16 and 24-inch widths to fill the cavity of the metal stud and are 96 inches long. Additionally, we have a 19 1/4 inch bat. Craft-faced R-19 bats are a stock product with a 3-day lead time and are available in 15, 16, 23, and 24-inch widths with lengths of 93, 96, and 105 inches. Craft facing should be used in areas requiring a Class 2 vapor retarder. Craft-faced products are also available within our Fast Bat product line. Fast Bat products include an extra 1/4 inch for dependable friction fit, which eliminates the requirement for stapling. This can increase install speed by over 35%. FSK, or flame spread 25 facing products, are designed to be used where insulation will remain exposed and requires a finished appearance, or where a vapor retarder with low flame spread properties is required. Here are a few reasons that Owens Corning EcoTouch Pink Fiberglas is rated as the #1 brand builders trust for insulation. It's independently certified by a third party to verify the insulating power, or R value. That's not the case with some other popular insulating materials. Advanced technology and strict quality control means dependable consistency and low dust. Just a few of the reasons Owens Corning Fiberglas is rated #1 for handleability and ease of installation. Homeowners appreciate that it's made with no added fire retardant chemicals. Plus, unfaced products are made with at least 65% recycled content, and all Owens Corning Fiberglas bats and rolls are made with 100% renewable energy. When it comes to proven solutions that help make homes comfortable, quiet, safe, and sustainable, choose Owens Corning EcoTouch Pink Fiberglas insulation.